How to remove professional dashboard from your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device, and here as you can see I have the professional dashboard. Professional dashboard basically means that you have enabled professional mode on your Facebook. So in order to remove that, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for turn off professional mode. So tap on the turn off professional mode option you see there, and then tap on the continue button. And now simply go ahead and read and review the guidelines shown on the screen, and then tap on the turn off option you see there. And with this, as you can see, professional mode on your device has been disabled. So this was about how you can turn off professional mode or how you can remove professional dashboard from your Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.